But the day Max really proved he was my superhero was when we went for a walk in the park. I suddenly realized I had no idea where we were. Panic started to set in, but Max, he was cool as a cucumber. With a gentle tug on the harness, he started leading me. I could almost hear him saying, "Don't worry, Sarah, I've got this." Before I knew it, we were back on familiar ground. Max had used his amazing nose to guide us home. That day, I realized that with Max by my side, I'm never truly lost. He's more than my eyes. He's my compass, my security, and my best friend.